Hey folks, April is chilly this year. Really chilly. Yeah, it's pretty cold. To be honest, today I'm going to Huntsville. It's a small town up north from Toronto. I think it's about 2 hours from Toronto or something. And today is Easter, so happy Easter to those who celebrate. Yeah, it's really cold today. I don't know, it's about 5 degrees Celsius, but when you're on the road, it feels colder, of course. Just want to cover my face. Yo, this is not a robbery. Okay, let's go. Okay, now let's get to McDonald's. I need to grab some food because I'm starving. It's pretty steep. Stay there. There's a museum, old train or something, or just a train, I don't know. Well, it's not for today. I'm not gonna take a ride on that train. God damn it, why it's so cold? Here we go. Okay, got my meal. Now I have to find a spot. Something, I don't know what. We'll see. Lunch is done and I have to find another spot to visit. Yeah, let me check my map. All right, I'm gonna take some local road and I'm heading south. Okay, I'm not gonna stay here for long. I gotta go. Highway 35, really scenic, really nice, smooth, long turns, really nice. I don't know what's the name of this lake, but it's, as you can see, there's an ice and it's still pretty cold, but it doesn't matter. It's a beautiful sunny day, so it's nice to ride. Folks, this is my I think it's my last gas station for today. I'm heading home. I took just a local highway 35, which is really nice. It's empty, almost empty. There's no traffic, so it was pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Peace.